Class, let us all stand and pray. Everybody stand up.
Yes, ma'am.
Winnie, will you please stand up? So let us pray, class. So let us bow our head and put our presence to our Almighty Father.
Prayer before class starts. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Dear Lord and Father of all, thank you for today. Thank you for ways in which you provide for us all. For your protection and love, we thank you. Help us to focus our hearts and minds now on what we are about to learn. Inspire us by your Holy Spirit as we listen and write. Guide us over eternal life as we discover more about the world around us. We ask all this in the name of Jesus.
Good morning, class. Please stand up, please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Again, good morning, class.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So since this is our first day of schooling, I want you to introduce my name. I am Miss Judith Meliang, your mathematics teacher for today. Again, good morning, class.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So how are you today?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, so are all attending classes now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have here a list of enrolled students. So once I call your name, say present, okay? So just tell me if your name not mentioned here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Kate Katong,
Present, ma'am.
Rachel Me Talampros, Regent Talampros, Queenie Katong,
Present, ma'am.
and I Camilliam. Is anybody who's not calling their name? I saw.
None, ma'am.
So everybody's here. All right. So now class, even though our class is through virtual, still have I had a rules that you need to obey during my subject. Okay? Is that okay for you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so first rule, you must sit properly and listen our class discussion. So everybody sitting properly? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
number two, if you want to answer or say something, just say mine and wait the teacher to be call your name. Then number three, give respect to everybody. Okay. Then number four, I will allow you to turn off your microphone to avoid distractions of some noises in your background, but don't turn off your camera. Is that okay, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. All right. So now class, I will show you a short video song. Then try to think if what is all in the video. Okay? for a while. My laptop is hanging.
When I gotta add up some really big numbers, I gotta be sure. I don't like to wonder, so I break it down. That's what I do. I break it down. I place value. The problem was 65 plus 43. And the 10th verse, that's the key. 60 plus 40 is 100, you'll see. Now add up the ones column, it's 5 plus 3. Now the problem gets simpler. 100 plus 8, that's 108. You got it. Great. I break it down. That's what I do. I break it down. My place value. For more songs,
Okay, so class, do you have any idea if what is on the video all about? Escape?
Yes, ma'am.
What is all the video about?
It's about digits that can introduce the ones, tens, and hundreds.
Very good, Kate. Yes, that is correct. It's all about the digit. Then some more, Queenie. Do you have any idea?
Place value of whole numbers, ma'am.
Very good, Queenie. Yes, that is correct also. It's all about the place value. And do you see any numbers in the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there is. So now, this morning class, I will teach you, or we are going to tackle about number notation, place value of whole numbers. What is again our lesson for today, Queenie? Can you say it to your other classmates?
Number notation, place value of whole numbers.
Very good, Queenie. Yes, that is correct. So it's all about number notation, place value of whole numbers. Then I will show you an example of a whole number. So this is a whole number. This is an example of whole number. So as I said that our lesson today is all about number notation, place value of whole numbers. So later on, I will teach you if what is the place value, the value of this particular numeral. Okay, but I will show you first the example of place value chart for you to able to understand, or you can have an idea what is the place value and the value. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so look at the screen, class. So this is an example of place value chart. So this place value chart, it contains 3 periods. Why? Why it contains 3 periods? Because in this part, in one place is considered as 1 period. Do you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in the second period, in thousands place is considered as 1,000 or a second period. Then in the third place, in a million place is considered as a third period. Now, to know the place value and value of this chart, so look at in the second row, this one. So this is what we call the place value. Then in the third row, it is what we call the value. Now, take note, in memorizing place value, you are always look at the right from the digit of a given numeral. So let's say, for example, this one. In a ones place, in this ones place, it is considered as is a first digit. Then in the tens place, it is the second digit. Then in the third place, it is the hundred. Then the fourth is the thousands. Then the fifth is the 10,000s. Then followed by 100,000s in the sixth place. But this morning, so since you are greatly pupils, so I will teach you only up to thousands. Okay? As I
Okay, ma'am.
as I give the example of this given numeral. Okay? So don't be confused, class, in memorizing the place value of a given digit of a given numeral rather. So always look at in the right side of the digit in a given numeral. So try to memorize ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay. So again, this
Okay,
is
ma'am.
called the place value. And the third row, it is what we call the value. Now, look again to the place value chart. So we will look in the ones. In a ones place, the value of ones is just 1. Then in the second place, in the tens place, the value of tens is, can you see it, Queenie? What is the value of tens?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the value of tens? Can you see it?
10, ma'am.
And how many zero and 10?
1 0 only, ma'am.
Very good. Then in the next, in the third place, in 100 place, Kate, what is the value of 100?
100, ma'am.
Then how many zero are there?
2.
Very good. 2. There are 2 zero and 100 place value. Then how about in thousands in the fourth place? So how many zeros are there?
3.
Very good. So there are 3 zeros. So the value of thousands is 1,000. Then how about in 10,000s? How many zeros?
4.
There are 4, ma'am.
Very good. There are 4 zeros. Then how about in 100,000? How many zeros are there?
5 zeros,
5.
ma'am.
Very good. There are 5 zeros. Now, back to the given numeral. So in this given numeral class, to read this in words, so I will show you. Okay. So now, as I said, this a given numeral, it contains 2 periods. It contains 2 periods. Why it contains 2 periods? So this is the answer class. Why it contains 2 periods of this given numeral 1,320? Because the space or comma separate the period of each period. So let's say for example this one. Let's say for example this one. So from the right side of the digit in a given numeral, so you will count 1, 2, 3. Then there is a space or comma to indicate the period. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, to read this in word, the given numeral 1,320 is 1,320. Again, Queenie, can you read it in word, the given numeral, this number?
1,320.
Right, very good. So now, we will enumerate the place value and value of each digit. So as I said, always look from the right. So first, we will locate the place value of 0. What is the place value of 0?
Ones.
Very good, ones. How about in 2?
Tens.
Tens, very good. Then how about in 3 digits?
Hundreds.
Hundreds.
Very good, hundreds. Then how about in 1? What is the place?
Thousands.
Very good, thousands. So now, we will locate also the value of each digit. What is the, take note class that 0, the value of 0 is just 0. It has no value, but it holds a placeholder in a given numeral. So it's just 0 itself. There is no value, okay? Always
Okay,
remember,
ma'am.
class, always remember that 0 has no value. It holds the place value of a given numeral. It's just 0 itself. Then now, and the digit 2. What is the value of 2?
Tens, ma'am.
Value of 2? No.
20.
Yes, 20. You just copy the digit, then you will add 0 and a tens place. Because tens place class is there are 0, 1, 0, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so in this case, so this is the given numeral. So just copy the digit 2, then you will add 0 because in this digit, the two digit is in the tens place. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any question
ma'am.
here? Are you confusing about in locating the value of each digit?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So again, what is the value of 2? What is the value of 2?
20.
20. How many 0 are there?
1
One.
0 only, ma'am.
Very good. 1 0 only. Then how about in 3? What is the value of 3?
300.
Very good. How many 0 are there?
There are
Two.
2, ma'am.
Yes, correct. There are 2 0 because it is in the hundred place. Then how about in 1? What is the place value? Oh, no, sorry, Rani. What is the value of 1?
1,000.
1,000, ma'am.
Then how many zeros are there?
There are
3.
3, ma'am.
That's correct. 3 zeros. Now, class, for you to not confuse and memorizing and knowing the place value, what is the difference between the place value and the value? So the value is, the difference of this, the value is it just the same with a whole number. Then the place value is just the same with a word. Because why it's word? Because as you can see here, so the place value of 0 is 1. So it is written in words. Do you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do not confuse in memorizing and knowing between the place value and value of each digit in a given numeral. Numeral and number class is just the same. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So let us proceed. Okay, so as I said that zero is an important placeholder. It has no value, but it holds a place value in a given number. So class, we will try this one. We will try these examples, these two examples. So first, a numeral. Kate, can you read this one in words?
2,789.
Very good, Kate. Yes, 2,789. Then how many periods are there? How many periods?
Periods, ma'am.
Yes. As I said just now earlier that in the
Okay, ma'am.
very good, there are two periods. So why do you think that there are two periods in the given numeral? What do you think, Kate?
Um,
What do you think?
because it is separate into columns, ma'am.
Yes, yes, very good. Yes, that's correct. It there is a space between or after the third digit. So from first digit of a given numeral, so we count 1 to 3, then space or comma. We can put also a comma to indicate the period of its given numeral. Okay. So now, in the first example, this given numeral 2,789. So now we will look at the chart, the place value and value of each digit. So now, Queenie, what is the place value and value of 2 in the chart?
The place value is thousands and the value is 2,000.
Very good. Then how many zeros in the two digit? How many zeros are there in the value?
There are 3 zeros, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Then how about in the 8-digit, Kate? What is the place value and value of 8?
7 is the place value of 7 is hundreds and the value is 700.
Then how many zeros are there?
2, ma'am.
Correct. Then how about in 9? What is the place value and value of 9? Queenie.
Once, ma'am, and the value is 9.
Yes, very good. So now we will try it in the second and the next example. So Queenie, can you read this given numeral in word? This one.
Wait, ma'am, I'm lost. Oh my God.
Ma'am,
One-
9.
1,490, ma'am.
Very good, correct. Then how many periods are there?
2 periods, ma'am.
Okay, correct. Then why do you think there are 2 periods in that given numeral?
Because they are 2 separate columns.
Yes, that is correct. But the best answer or the main answer is this one. And this given numeral indicate has a 2 period because after the third digit there is a space between in the 4 and 1, because after the third digit we are going to put a space or comma. We can put also comma to indicate the period of its given numeral. All right, So now we will know the place value and value of its digit. Its digit is 1. So Queenie, what is the place? Can you give it the place value and value of 9? 9.
Tens, mom, and the value of 9 is 90.
Very good. 90. Then Kate, what is or can you give the place value and value of 4? This one for
Hundreds, mom, and value is 400.
then how many zeros and 400?
2, mom.
Very good. Then how about in 1? Queenie, can you tell us to your classmate if what is the place value and value of 1?
Thousands, mom, and 1,000.
Very good. How many zeros in 1,000?
There are 3 zeros, mom.
Very good. Okay. So class, do you learn?
Yes, mom.
Alright. So we will move on to your exercises. So number 1, Kate, can you read in number 1?
Read the numerical number
Numeral.
of 4,285.
Very good.
A
So
numeral
this word, Kate, to read this is numeral.
numeral.
Okay, so can you read it again in the first or number 1?
Number 1 is read the numeral 4,285.
Very good. So number 2, Queenie, how many periods that it does it have in this given numeral?
2,
4,
mom.
mom.
Very good. 2. Then what is the place value of 4?
Thousands.
Excellent. Thousands. Then how about in 2?
Hundreds.
Good job. Hundreds. Then how about in 8?
Tens, mom.
Very good. Then how about in 5?
Ones.
Very good. So now we will express this into expanded form or value. So now what is the value of 8?
Tens, mom. 80.
Correct, 80. Then how about in 4? What is the value of 4?
4,000.
4,000, mom.
Correct. Then how many zeros are there in 4,000?
There
4,
are
mom.
3 zeros, mom.
3. Yes, correct. There are 3 zeros. Then how about in 2? What is the value of 2?
200, mom.
How many zeros
There
are
are 2
there?
zeros.
Very good. Then last one, how about in 5? What is the value of 5?
5, mom.
Yes, very good. Yeah, 5. So now, let us move on to the exercises 2. So class, this is an off learning. Write the place value and value or expanded form of an underlying digit. So you are going to write the place value and value or expanded form of its underline digit, okay? Then I will give you 3 minutes. I will give you 3 minutes. Then after that, you are going to take a picture, then send it to our private message, okay?
Yes, mom.
All right. So, do you have any question or clarification before I will give a short quiz?
None so far, mom.
Have you learned?
Yes, mom, of
Mom.
course.
All right, excellent. So now, for your evaluation, or I will give you a short quiz, 1 to 10. So kindly, it's just also an off learning. You are going to pass this one within this day. So kindly take a picture of this. So back here again, class, in exercises 2, kindly take a picture of this. Then later on, you will pass it to our private message. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then for your evaluation, copy and answer the following. Match the number words in column A with its corresponding answer in column B. Write the letter of your answer space provided. So you are going to write here the letter only, but you will copy and answer the following question. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, have you done taking a picture of this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next in letter B, okay, so give the value and place value of the underlying digit. So take a picture also, then after that, you will send it with me in my messenger, okay?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
All right. So for your assignment class, answer the following question. So this one, answer these 2 questions, then you will pass it tomorrow. Can you write it in 1/2 sheet of paper, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Right.
Understood.
So for your exercises again and your quizzes, I will give you only 1 hour to answer. I will wait until 10 o'clock in the morning. Then you are going to pass it within this day, okay? I will wait until 10 o'clock in the morning. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right. Okay, so now do you have any question, clarification before we end our class discussion?
None,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right, so thank you very much for this day. So we will give a round of applause to everybody for participating our class discussion for today. Okay, so that's all for today, class. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye,
Goodbye, ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you again.